patient, welcome to my creation. Working with passion, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession.
Rob's costumes.
This is my passion, welcome to my creation. Working with passion, I'm another dimension.
What's up, guys? We back with another video. Today we got 3 trucks in. We got one from Hereford, Texas, coming in for that Starlight on a single cab. We're gonna install that real quick. And we got a extended cab MBS. We're gonna be doing double sunroofs on. And tomorrow we got another truck, another MBS single cab coming in from Amarillo, Texas, coming in for a single sunroof install. Here's the doubles we're going to be doing on this one right after we get done with that headliner. Starlight, he's on his way. He's actually probably like 10 minutes away. And we got the other truck coming in from Amarillo, Texas. So stay tuned. Busy weekend like always. All my tickets super busy, so I appreciate everybody that's been supporting Rob's Customs. Like I said, we're going to be going down the road and knocking them out. So stay tuned. We'll get some video of the truck when it comes in and pull the headliner out and then start the install. I did pre-make this headliner already, so it's ready to go. So all I have to do is just pop the old one out from the customers, pop these ones in, paint the plastics and the visors to match, and wire it up. It should be done maybe two hours max. Call the customer up, let them know it's ready to go. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the truck in from Texas. They just dropped it off. Went ahead and started taking out the headliner. Headliner's out. We'll go ahead and tape that up so it's not hanging down. We're gonna go ahead and bring out the headliner. Here's all the parts we're gonna be painting, covering up the glass, the lens of the light. We'll go ahead and spray everything down so everything looks good and everything blends in. All right, brother just showed up. Comes down to help me out. It's clean F-150 on 6s. Sunroof. It's got the starlights in it, and we are bagging this. Stay tuned for this one. We're gonna be bagging it, tucking them 6s. Alright guys, truck 1 is done. Starlight headliner, it's all complete. Waiting for the customer to pick it up. Truck 2, double sunroofs. Black out the whole headliner, plastics, handles, everything, visors. Black it all out, double sunroofs. Let's go. Guys, truck is done. Check it out. Things like 500 lights. Everything's been blacked out. Visors, top console light, and the clips, and the handle. I'm gonna go ahead and close the door so we can get it all dark in there and check out the lights. There we go. That looks badass. And everything is Bluetooth. So use the app to control the lights. Whatever color you want. Blue, yellow, green. That's a wrap. Let the customer know it's ready to go. That looks bad. At night, it's gonna look even better. But that's it, guys. Another one done. You can see I got my brother over here working on the extended cab. Get that one ready and prepped for double sunroofs. Customer's on his way to pick this one up. Hereford, Texas. Another one done. I've done some work for them down there. I actually drove down there. Tighten window. I did a tighten window, starlight, and a headliner. A couple headliners out there. This time they came to me. So we got a lot more coming. I'm gonna put 3 trucks in one video. The extended cab doubles, this one and the one coming from Amarillo, Texas tomorrow. No headliner on that one. just a sunroof install with the primary roof on top. Customer doesn't want the headliner done, so that's no problem. We'll go ahead and get in and out. And then this one's a little bit more of a project work to do, double. So hopefully get this one knocked out by tomorrow too. We're gonna work on it all day today, see how far we can go, at least get the sunroofs in, get all the interior and all that done, and then have the headliner and the body work done towards the very end on this one. So all right guys, stay tuned. Another one done. Guys, truck number 3, we're getting it in. Number 1 is out, number 2 is still getting body work done on it. My brother's jumping on that one. We got the sunroof installed, first layer of body work up on top, ready for the sunroof. Everything's been cut out, letting it dry so we can block it out. Alright, truck 3 is done with the no headliner though, just a sunroof.
Perfect.
Alright guys, double sunroof's been installed, wired up 100%. All we have left is the headliner, which is right here. It's cut out. I just gotta wrap it in some black fabric. I got all the plastics here painted, visors. So it's just a matter of hooking everything back up and should be good to go. Double sunroofs. That last one sticks out a lot. That's badass. Alright guys, last is the headliner. Alright guys, we're back with the Silverado. We got it all done, painted on top, body worked, headliners on, everything's 100%. I cleaned up the inside a little bit. Gonna call the homie up, come pick it up. This one I did have to sit on it for a little while. A lot more cutting into these ones, which I didn't know about. A lot more cutting on the inside, and since the glasses are real huge, the sunroofs, I had to do some modifications to the top console. I did have to cut a little bit off of it, but it still looks good. Let's check it out. And it still have, like I said, I painted the roof. It does have still some sun damage here, and on the door you can see where it's not shiny no more. So that's why this looks a lot better, because it's brand new, you know, versus this. But that's gonna be it for this one.